Students, today we'll begin with this last but a very sweet and an easy topic. Just when you read it once, I think you'll be able to answer at least 60% of the questions, and that is green chemistry and nano chemistry. What we are going to do is we are going to study this part today, that is green chemistry, and tomorrow I will teach you what is nanochemistry. Now, what is green chemistry, students? Green chemistry is the use, I think the word itself gives you the meaning, isn't it? Green means biodegradable, eco-friendly, does not cause any pollution to the environment. That is the way. In the textbook, the definition is clearly given that what is green chemistry. Green chemistry is the use of chemistry for prevention of pollution. What is green chemistry? It is the use of chemistry for prevention of environmental pollution by designing environmentally conscious equipments, producing less hazardous waste and minimizing less hazardous pollutants and minimizing the waste. That is what is called as green chemistry. So what is green chemistry? Green chemistry is the use of chemistry to prevent environmental pollution in designing environmentally sound designs using chemicals which will create less waste and cause less pollution also. This is green chemistry. Then we study something called as sustainable development. Sustainable development means what? Sustainable development definition. Concentrate. It is the use of natural resources in such a way of without compromising the ability of future generation for their own use. म्हणजे काय? What is sustainable development? Meaning use of natural resources. The natural resources should be used in such a way without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. Means today whatever reserves are available to us, whatever natural resources in different forms are available to us, we are going to use them in such a way that our future generations will be able to get equal benefits of these natural resources. That is called sustainable development. Means sustainable use of natural resources without compromising the ability of the future generations. Means we are not going to exhaust them, we are not going to overuse them. We are going to use them in such a way that even they will last for the future generations, so that they can utilize them as well in a environmentally sound way. That is one. Next, principles of green chemistry. Principles of green chemistry. What is this? In this principle, we discuss first objective, first point is that is ZWT. Second, we study something called as atom economy. Now, what is this ZWT? What is the principle of green chemistry? ZWT, zero waste technology, meaning use of chemicals in such a way that the waste produced is negligible. That is called zero waste technology. Means whatever waste is produced during a typical reaction can be used as a raw material for some other chemical reaction. That will lead to zero waste. I'll repeat what I said. During a chemical reaction, whatever byproducts are formed, students, these byproducts can be used as a raw material for some other reaction. Like for example, students, thermal power plant, a lot of ash remains which can be used as, it is a waste product. In thermal power plant, waste product is produced in the form of ash. This waste product will this waste product can be ash in the form of ash can be used in the cement and the brick industry for the manufacture of cement and bricks. That is called as what? That is called as zero waste technology. One more I would like to suggest here. This is one here. Second, whatever water we use for cleaning the machinery, machinery cleaning, whatever water is used, this same water used for cleaning machinery, which is a wastewater, can be used as a coolant in thermal power plants. That's it. So this is how the waste product of one chemical synthesis can be used as a raw material for next chemical processes. That is called zero waste technology. Okay. Atom economy is what? The total number of ratio of what? Desired products, desired products of the chemical reaction to the total number of atoms of all reactants, multiplied by 100. Meaning काय?